The reason why you're forgetting is because you're not reviewing enough. Your brain can remember, but you have to be consistent. You cannot take a break and not listen for one day. No, every day you have to review your notes. You have to review every day, 15, 20 minutes, 1 hour every day, so it can stay.
And prefer to listen to people to speak in English.
That's okay. Listening is a skill. You can definitely practice that. But I think you do that enough here already, right? You do that enough here already. So in the voice room, make it your chance or your turn to talk.
Yes. But how to say that? As you can see, I'm not people person like to
Hmm.
talk.
Okay, we've established that. That's a good acknowledgement. You are acknowledging and accepting you are not a people person. So maybe there are other skills you can work on and use English as an excuse, use English as the driving force to push that skill forward. Does that make sense? So if you're not a people person, use English and use that as the steering wheel to push that people person skill forward and try to have fun with it. It's a good opportunity to have fun because you're not speaking in your language.